Hi everyone, this is Joanna with the Santa Clarita Public Library. I'm here today to show you a simple DIY craft, air dry clay. It only requires 3 simple ingredients, so let's get started. Measure out 2 cups of baking soda, 1 cup of cornstarch, and 1.5 cups of water. Carefully pour your dry ingredients into a pot. This can get kind of messy, so use a pot you don't mind getting dirty. Stir your dry ingredients well before adding water. Pour your water into the pot. You'll want to use a strong wooden spoon instead of a whisk, since the mixture is thick. I quickly switched over. Slowly begin to mix the dry and wet ingredients together. This step will take a few minutes, so take your time to prevent splashing. When your ingredients are mixed completely, it will resemble a thick gravy and be easy to churn. At this point, turn your stove on medium to low heat. 4 to 5 minutes later, the clay mixture will begin to thicken and clump together. 7 to 10 minutes later, your clay mixture will be super thick and resemble mashed potatoes. When you push it to the side, it will stand on its own. Your clay is almost ready. Let your clay mixture cool a few minutes. Sprinkle a clean surface with some cornstarch and carefully knead, since the clay may still be warm. Now you can begin modeling with your clay. Store it in an airtight container. Here's something really simple that I did with my clay. I turned it into a star, painted it, covered it with clear nail polish, and then pushed a magnet into the back. See you next time!